Office towers are typically thought of as steel, concrete, and glass, but increasingly tenants are looking for a converged IT infrastructure that not only offers broadband, but also control over building systems. That's what was done here by Cisco Systems and building constructor Ellis Dawn at the new PricewaterhouseCoopers building in Toronto.
What we really are trying to achieve is make the buildings so that we can get sustainability being a priority with them, energy conservation, lighting control, get to the point that we're doing heating and air conditioning control, and be able to give tenants a better experience within the buildings themselves. PwC was a really interesting case for us because they were a primary tenant in 18 York Street in the PwC Tower. They really embraced the whole idea of utilizing technology and have taken it and run with it for us. Behind me here, we've got the Cisco platform that's utilized for the fiber backbone in the building for 18 York Street. And we utilize this to give us access to all the floors throughout the building. The BAS systems normally would connect in through this. In this case, we've got some of them that are not on it, although they do present the data to us through our central management system that's down on the floor here. And that central management system would allow us to do different types of controls within the offices, and that for instance, that gives us the lighting control. We will have AV control and blind control in the individual meeting rooms.
Well, what we've seen so far is the powerful capacity to control our own lighting, as an example. In our old facility, if you wanted to come in on the weekend, you would have to phone and they would turn your lights on, and they would actually turn on probably 4 floors because of the lighting zone and the older technology. And you'd be paying for that. And you'd be paying and using a lot more consumption. In this building, we put in occupancy sensors, so as you arrive on the site, an example at 2 o'clock in the morning, you arrive in here, as you pass through the doors, the secure doors, occupancy sensors will pick you up and light your way to wherever you're going. So we're only using the amount of electricity that we need to light that path. When you arrive at your office, you will come in, it will be dark, it senses you're here, the lights come up to light, and then you can go to your phone. And on your phone, we have a button called Services. And we can actually then choose this office, and I can now put my lights on, turn my lights off. I can dim them. I'm just going to demonstrate by turning them off right now. And off we go, so we should have gone quite dark. And then I'm going to put them back up to full brightness just by a button, and I can reduce it to an energy efficient as well.
One innovation is a rooftop sensor that links to the building's window blinds, raising and lowering them according to the sun's position. It's another way IT companies are trying to make smarter buildings. For Network World Canada, I'm Howard Solomon.